This the number one, this the number one, this the number one champion sound. This the number one, this the number one, this the number.
So boom, went and did that. I deposited a check that I needed to deposit into my business bank account. Did that. I gave Angie, her name is Angie, she works at Landmark Credit Union. I gave her I gave her some free little lashes, and she invited me to a party to where I can pass out like business cards and flyers and stuff. So network your ass off. Like, even if you're just going to the bank, you never know who you'll run into and who you'll network with, and your network is part of your net worth. That's what I'm learning this year. I'm trying to expand and trying to be better with that. So I have to go get gas because I'm almost on E. I'm really bad with that. So fun fact about me, I only go to Speedway. And I got a gift card for $25 for gas, free gift card, free gas, whatever. So I got a gift card for $25 for gas. So I'm going to go fill up my tank, and then I have a meeting at 11 o'clock. I have to do content today. I don't have any clients today, and I have to go grocery shopping for my mom, and I have to go to the gym. And my kids get out of school at 4 o'clock. So what time is it right now? It is 11 o'clock. Don't mind so my personal phone is 11 and then my business phone is 14, so don't fucking come for me. But it is now 11 o'clock. So we got to do all of this before 4 o'clock. And I'm supposed to be going to Mexico for my birthday this year to get my teeth done, because I hate this right here. I hate it. I never used to have it. During COVID, I had depression teeth, and then I had a nervous habit that I picked up when I was with my toxic, narcissistic ex, and now I put my tongue on the back of my teeth, and it pushes my teeth apart. And if you look at my content and videos from 2 years ago, I didn't have it. So I'm really insecure about it, and I want to get my teeth done. And so 10 on top and 10 on bottom. I want to go get done porcelain veneers in Mexico, but my mom just told me today that people just got kidnapped and unalived in Mexico, and now I'm scared to go by myself to Mexico, because I pretty much solo travel everywhere I go. I solo travel, and I'm scared to go. I've never been out of the country solo traveling. So I've been out of the country, but I wasn't solo. And so I'm terrified to go out of the country by myself now, because I want to get back home to my kids and my life safe and sound. And so now I'm nervous to go. And like, I really want my teeth done, but like, is it that serious? So my mom told me to book an appointment with her dentist, which I did for April, which is before my birthday, which I wanted to go for my birthday to get them done. But if it's a little bit after, like, I'm not even mad at it. So I'm glad I didn't put the deposit down yet. I didn't put the deposit down yet. I did my research, and they told me, like, all the videos, not they told me, but I watched the videos, and they said that don't stay in Mexico, and to just get a hotel or an Airbnb in California, and then to take an Uber across the border, and the procedure is about like 5 hours, and then just go right back. So that's the research I did, but I'm still nervous because I've never, like I said, been out of the country by myself. So yeah, and this month I'm trying not to eat any fast food, but I like really want some fast food today. I didn't meal prep, so I know that's why I'm like craving fast food. So I need to go home and meal prep also. I got a lot to do. I have to book this hotel. I have to book my hair appointment. I have to get my toe fixed on my pedicure because one of my acrylic toes came off. And I have to print out this manual for this weekend and find an outfit to wear because I'm supposed to be going to chemistry in Chicago. I got so much to do. Somebody, I need an assistant. I need help. I need coffee, because coffee makes you be able to do anything. I should go get gas and get a Ghost. I like Ghost. Ghosts are good. I've been drinking them, and they're pretty good. And I'm talking to you guys, and I could be doing all of this right now. See, procrastination. Ooh, okay. Let me go get this stuff done. I'll check in with you guys at the gas station, most likely. Bye.
my mind. Yeah, in my mind. I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my yearning. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day, tried to be fine but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling me. Starting to give up my pain, fighting to be on my lane. My mind, running to the other side, and it's time to leave my life. And it tries to take me out, tell you what I need. I really need a I really need a different mind now. I really need a I need to free my mind now. I really need
So this is like my daily like stuff that I'm supposed to do, right? And so I just want to show you. So I'm gonna switch today to back and biceps and do legs and glutes tomorrow. So I'm supposed to do legs and glutes, right? I'm gonna do back and biceps, and then I have like this stuff here with like all my YouTube schedule and stuff like that. So I'm like OCD when it comes to stuff like this, and like I try to follow it but I don't follow it to the T. So when I'm not lashing, like this is what I'm doing. I'm still doing stuff. I'm still doing content. I'm still working out. I'm still studying business, lash practicing. So that's what I do when I'm not lashing or training. So I still have a lot of stuff to do behind the scenes. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys that. I changed my hair. Alright, so I changed my hair, and look at my neck compared to my oh, it's my makeup. Okay, so I changed my hair. I didn't like it how it was before, down. I'm going to the gym anyways. I've been doing cardio, so I have to do that, and I have to go grocery shopping. I booked my hair appointment for Friday. I have to book the hotel room still. I still have to do the manual and put together the kit for this weekend. But tomorrow I have clients, and then so I can do that tomorrow as well. And I didn't get to shoot any like real content today, which I want to do, which I'll probably dedicate tomorrow. Like I'll do my hair and my makeup early in the morning, and I will just do that tomorrow then. So right now I'm gonna go to the gym and go grocery shopping, and I'll take you guys with me for that. For the rest of the day, for the rest of the day when my kids are home, I'm probably gonna cut it, or I might like check back in with you guys at nighttime, maybe when I'm editing. But that's about it. So then I'm gonna go to the gym. I go to the Y. I don't really like it. There's a lot of old people there. Nothing wrong with old people, but I just feel awkward going there, I guess. I don't know. Back and buys and cardio. And I want to watch Creed. It just came out, and it is on my mom's Kodi. I checked on all of my stuff. It's not on mine. So I do want to go over there sometime this week and watch that movie when my kids are in school. Hopefully I can, because I still need to get all my appointments in, get all my clients in, and all that stuff. So, and tonight I want to record my girls' night in. Or maybe I'll do it Friday night when I get my hair done. Probably do it Friday night. And I need to do my own lashes before this weekend too, because I have no lashes on, and I'll just do it myself. Yeah, so life of a single mom, entrepreneur, content creator. It's fun. I really need to blend this out because it just looks ridiculous. Look how pale I am. I need a tan so bad. I need a self tan or something, because this ain't it, girl. This ain't it. It ain't it. All right, I gotta go. What time is it now? I didn't even get into the meeting, by the way. I didn't even get into the meeting. So it is 12:23. Gym, canning laundry. Just kidding. I do need to do laundry today. I have so much stuff to do. Somebody come help me. All right, I'm going. I swear I'm going. I'm going for real. Going to the gym. Grocery shopping. All right, bye. This is what my mom wanted, though. And I really want to get her 2, I think. I'm gonna get her 2 because I don't know. I hope this is right. I hope this is right. Do they all come? They all come with zero sugar, I guess. Ooh. I hope this is right. I don't know. I hope it's right. I don't know. I don't know. I hope it's right. Milk, that, and I have to get her a bag of M&Ms. Oh, they got all of the flavors here. Yeah, that's it. Okay. I gotta go. What time is it? 44. 12:44. All right. Bye. Oh, I should get her some tea. She only likes the peach kind though. I'll just get her what's on the list. I'm just getting her what's on the list. Oh, and I have to get Angel Soft. Angel Soft. Toilet paper too. I forgot about that. I should just watch my footage back because I would know with more stuff. I never come here, so I don't know where anything is. Fun fact, I used to work at Piggly Wiggly, which used to be 𝒟𝓁, which is like a local grocery store in West Dallas. And if you grew up here, you know. If you know, you know. So Angel Soft, she likes a specific kind of toilet paper. Is there a bigger one than that? I don't think there is a bigger one than that. Okay, how long is that gonna last her? Not long. I don't buy Angel Soft. I don't know. I'm not like specific on what freaking toilet paper I have. I hope this is enough. There's only 8 rolls in here. Yeah, I don't know, but I'm not going to another store. So there's that, and then I have to get her M&Ms. Get her some M&Ms and be done. And I got myself some stuff. I got dinner for tonight, and I got Celsius, and I got kids Lunchables for tomorrow. The candy aisle. Candy. I think it's on the outskirts. I'm not sure though. Yeah, I think it's over here. No, it's not. Fuck. Where's the candy? I thought candy was over here. There's nothing but old people here. Old palm-colored people. Because I'm going during the day. So where is the candy? I'm so glad that I have younger parents, because if I had to do this all the time for like older parents, no, it ain't happening. It ain't happening, bro. It ain't happening, Captain. It's a lot to do all your own stuff and then do stuff for other people too. It's a lot. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work on top of work. Where is all of the candy? Where's the candy aisle? Candy. I'm gonna put this right here.